Time now for news overseas. The U.S. has dropped its naval blockade of Iran after the two countries signed a deal to end the war in the Middle East. U.S. Central Command confirmed the end of the blockade on X and said some U.S. vessels would remain in the general area. Now, soon afterwards, Iran's supreme leader said he had approved the deal with the U.S. despite having a different view without elaborating. He said he allowed it to go ahead after assurances from Iran's president that he would protect the rights of the Iranian nation. Now, Iran's supreme leader also said U.S. President Donald Trump had, out of desperation, used all kinds of leverage to bring the deal about. The supreme leader also said that while there would be in-person negotiations in the future between Tehran and Washington, this will not mean acceptance of, quote, the enemy's position.
And the Primetime News package continues with sports after this break. And Janela, can you believe it's been 1 week since the World Cup started?
I can't believe it.
The Primetime News package continues with sports after this break.